Are there any other hot topic conditions that have a potential for dosing error right now?
I've gotten multiple reports of calcium gluconate injection that looks like, from Fresenius, that looks like Hospira's sterile water for injection. And these are on nursing units. So you can imagine if you're mixing, for a baby, what you think is an antibiotic, but you're really mixing that antibiotic with calcium gluconate and giving calcium the electrolyte, you're going to have problems. So these pharmacists that have been reporting this are so right. The good news is we've communicated with Fresenius and they have agreed to change the labeling of that product so that it will look different. A lot of it is this look-alike. Fortunately, we have barcoding too in about 85% of hospitals. So if you scan it before, then you're okay. But the problem is, with sterile water, you wouldn't necessarily scan sterile water if you're up on the unit. You would just scan the drug product and reconstitute it, and you'd be reconstituting with calcium without scanning it. So the error could still happen even with barcoding. So that's another one. Just they keep coming in, and I guess we're really fortunate that people are willing to tell us about these, and that the FDA has an open door policy with us and has set up, it's called the Division of Medication Error Prevention and Analysis. A lot of people don't even know this. They have about 25 or 30 dedicated doctors, nurses, and pharmacists that do med errors and nothing else. They approve products. They're part of the approval process, looking at drug names, testing them to see if they look like or sound like something else. They look at the labeling, and they do their best to avoid confusion. But they just can't do every single thing and can't know every unintended consequence that might happen. So occasionally something will get through, but it is so much better today than it was 15 years ago and 20 years ago due to the efforts of FDA and the folks that will report their errors to us without fear of, being criticized or having a legal situation or anything like that. We are PSO, so we are federally sanctioned to protect that information legally. And if they want, they can report through our patient safety organization.